Hi, this is Leslie with Simply Vegan, and I'm a down-home vegan. And today we're going to teach you how to make perfect brown rice every time. First thing you want to do is get that oven preheating to 375 degrees. Make sure your oven rack is in the middle of the oven. Then you're going to need an 8-inch square baking pan. Give that a little spray. And add 1.5 cups of brown rice into your pan. Now I'm using jasmine brown rice today. That's my favorite brown rice, but you are welcome to use any kind of rice that you like. Basmati, short grain brown rice, whatever is your favorite. On top of that, we're going to sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of salt, which can be omitted if you're on a salt-free diet. Then we're going to put 2 1/3 cups of boiling water. Now when you're measuring your water, you want to get down equal with your cup and make sure that your water is coming exactly on the line that you are wanting to measure. So we're going to pour this on the rice. Just give a little shake to kind of level it out. Now, if you'd like, you could add 2 tablespoons of oil just to keep that top a little bit softer, but it's really an optional thing. And I like to use sunflower oil. I try to avoid GMO oils. Sunflower oil is a good one to choose then. Now, with this, you're going to take 2 layers of aluminum foil. This is not going to touch your food, but if you're concerned about foil, you can put a layer of parchment paper under the layer of foil. So we got 2 layers of foil here, and we are going to crimp this on here nice and snugly to keep that moisture on the rice so that we'll have moist, beautiful rice. Now be careful, this is hot, so we're going to transfer this into the oven. Bake it for 1 hour. So you get to go do something that you like for an hour. We'll see you back here in a little bit. About an hour later where we can check out our rice. So let's just take the foil off and take a look at this. Flaky, fluffy, brown rice. That's absolutely beautiful. Now you can leave it plain like this, and then you'd be able to use it for breakfast dishes if you wanted, or for lunch. You could do whatever you wanted with your leftovers. But another option would be to replace 1/2 of the cup of your brown rice with a wild rice blend, and just add a couple tablespoons more water, and then just make it as you would. So you can hear it's nice and flaky and fluffy. Now in this, I've also added some seasonings. And you can add about 2 teaspoons of your favorite seasonings to your rice blend or your plain rice. You could make it with a broth powder. Today I've added onion powder and thyme. After living on Cayman, we learned to appreciate thyme in our rice very much, but you might like Italian, you might like basil. There's such a variety of things that you could do with this rice. Perfect rice every time. Eat for strength.